And now we're ready to design our ads. In this video, we're going to be using the external website campaign type and proceeding forward. Now on step 2, this is where we start to design our ads. And our first choice is to create all permutations, which is the split testing option, or we can choose to run different ad templates, which we'll cover under the tools section. In this demo, we're going to be using the create all permutations option. Our next choice here is if we want to use the normal ad format or if we'd like to use carousel. With the normal ad format, we're just creating one image post, but we can choose carousel in order to use multiple images or a video. Now, this is not only great for e-commerce companies advertising different products, but you can also use this in a storytelling format in order to really convey what your brand or service is about. We'll use the normal campaign or ad format type to continue here. We can then choose which page that we'd like to use, and then we can start to add in our different creative elements. Now, this is where the magic really starts to happen here at AdEspresso. For instance, we can start off by testing different headlines. So we can try a very simple one, like try AdEspresso for free. And then we can test that against a more specific headline, like optimize your Facebook ads as easily as making your morning coffee. If we like, we can also decide to split test different ad text. In this example, we'll just be using one ad text. Our next option is to choose either images or videos, and we do have a couple of ways that you can continue here. We can start off by uploading any new images. We can go ahead and select any images that we've already used for our campaigns, or we can use the Canva integration to create our own images right here throughout the platform. You also have a chance to purchase stock photos inside of this application. We'll go ahead and start off by selecting some that we've already used in our campaigns. Now we'll choose 3 that we have previously used, and then we'll add them into our campaign. From here, we could also add in our URLs. Now, maybe we're trying to see if sending people to our home page will convert better than people going directly to our sign up page. We'd be able to add both of those links here. We do have a few other fields left that we can fill out, the first of which being the display link. Now from here, if we'd like to go ahead and shorten our link to not include any other extra characters, we could add so here. For instance, we could just say that we're sending everything from adespresso.com instead of using the full join URL. You can choose to leave this blank if you wish as well. For our last field, we can add in a link description just to let people know what we're about. And we could choose any call to action we would like as well. Now we've seen that in just a few seconds, we've been able to actually create 12 different variations using our 3 images, our 2 headlines, and our 2 URLs. From here, we could go ahead and scroll through each of the 12 variations just to make sure everything is to our liking. In addition to that, we can also choose the placements for these ads. We can choose from desktop, mobile, audience network, Instagram, Messenger Home, or right column. After we choose our placements, we can then set up our goal tracking. AdEspresso does have the ability to help you track your campaigns with Google Analytics. We'll automatically add a source and medium for you, and you also have the option of adding different UTM parameters, such as the campaign ID, country, or even age that you're targeting. You can also choose to track goal conversions with the Facebook Pixel. From here, just select any of the Pixel events that you wish to track, such as purchases, or even something like add to cart, and then AdEspresso will automatically track these conversions for you. Now you're ready to proceed to the targeting page.